it's me. Well, blind box again, or surprise box, that's what they called. So, let's open my Pop Mart. Two pop beans. This one, I don't have them, so I'm so happy to get anything. And this one, I love coffee. Pop bean, coffee. I wish I can get more of this, but I don't know yet. So, Pop Mart is away from our, where I live from. But anyway, da-da! First Skull Panda. Yes. See? 6 design and 1 secret. But, I don't mind what I get from there. When I open it, I will get the set to complete it. Let's go. Hot bean first. This is how they do it. Oh. Ayaw. Together kan? Let's do the coffee bean. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see what I got. Ano yan? Ano to? Oh? Oh, my Lord. I don't know who she is, but... Oh, Chaka. Chaka. Oh, ang cute niya. Ang cute. Diba? Yay! 1 and more to go to buy and to complete. This one. This is celebrate the this moment. So what's this? Labubu? I don't know what's this one. Ay, sorry. Pangalan niya. Kubu? I don't know. How should I know? I never had any Pop Mart from my Skull Panda Pop Beans. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, ang cute niya. Wow. I've got 2. The most awaited part is this one. See? Okay, let's do this. Nice. Hindi ko maano talaga. Yes. Oh, first time. Skull Panda. Oh, ano to? Oh my word. Oh, so what this was like to get a Pop Mart with the plastic. It's so cute. Oh, so pretty. Oh, parang mayroong cardigan siya ng knitted ones. Oh my word. So this is gonna be Winter Flush Wonder Tune. So I'm happy about this. So I don't know when I'm gonna get this pop bin. I want more of this. So tiny. Just kuday. Ang maliliit. So happy about this. Yay! First time of Skull Panda. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, shoot. Oh, my Lord. Anyway. Bye, guys. Thanks.